Hello everybody, this is Sean here with another robot video, and I'm really excited about this one. We just got a package from the Anki Corporation. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we just got our hands on the collector's edition liquid metal Cozmo. I'm really excited about this. So what I'm going to do right quick is we're just going to run through some comparisons. So you guys all know that I'm a huge fan of Cozmo. In fact, I already own one Cozmo. I own our good friend, the regular Cozmo. Oh, and check this out. He got decked out with the tread pack. So I've got the green treads installed on him. And if you're wondering where you can get the treads at, they are offered at Anki, but I digress. Guys, I'm so excited about this package. So first things first, let's actually compare the boxes a little bit here. I've got the box from normal Cozmo. As we can see here, they're a little taller. That's really about it. I think the new one's a little taller, but I love the black and blue theme that Anki went with on liquid metal Cozmo here. So without further ado, let's unbox this. And again, you just have to understand I am super excited about this. I was excited when I saw that they were going to do a collector's edition Cozmo. And I'm a professional bad example, so do not cut near yourself. Anyway, the unboxing experience is just as pleasant as before. Here's Cozmo. Oh my god, that is so shiny. Guys, you have to understand this. Oh man, let's keep going. Oh, I just can't get over this. Look at how shiny this is. This is redonkulous. This is so good. Look.